The Cat Who Survived, 1973. When you saw him, he was lying on the ground, where his face had been a big red gaping hole. It looked so plain to you, he died without a sound. The car was standing over him, he wasn't even whole. And what you seen would never come to life. And although you felt reviled, you never looked away. You know that it had been just another life, but as real as new mornings, not very far away. Well, did you think about the poor cat's folks at home, still asleep, unknowing that the death had come to them? And did you feel the agonizing no, he isn't coming home? And did you feel the relief when you knew that you weren't them? And as you pondered over death, I want you to ask you, I want to tell you, it's so important. Oh, please spare a thought for the cat who survived. You didn't think so sad, he's alive. Wouldn't you wish he'd rather have died? Probably better than being alive. Can't you tell what the poor cat is thinking? Spewing his ring on the side of the road, wishing to hell it was all a bad dream, and probably thinking he'll never forgive it. Can't you see the poor cat will go through since he survived and had too much to drink? Isn't it sad that he's still on his feet? Don't you think that he'd be happier dead than to live with a memory torn and shattered, memory of a life? What a shame, now he knows what he's done. Don't you feel it? Spare a thought, he's only human and he's killed the first man. Let's spare a thought for the cat who survived. Don't you think it too bad he's alive? Wouldn't you rather he died in there too? Death is so sudden you didn't even know. When you saw him, he was lying on the ground, where his face had been a big red gaping hole. It looked so plain to you, he died without a sound. The car was standing over him, he wasn't even whole. And you just seen it would never come to life. Although you felt, you never looked away. You knew that it had never been just another life, but as real as new mornings, not very far away. Well, did you think about the poor cat's folks at home, still sleeping, unknowing that death had come to them? And did you feel the emptiness? No, you isn't coming home. And did you feel relief when you knew that you weren't them? And as you pondered over death, I want to ask you, I want to tell you, it's so important. Oh, please spare a thought for the cat who survived. Don't you think it's so sad he's alive? Wouldn't you wish he'd rather have died? Probably better than being alive. Can't you tell what the poor cat is thinking? Spewing his ring on the side of the road, wishing to hell it was all a bad dream, and probably thinking he'll never forgive it. Can't you see what the poor cat will go through since he survived and had too much to drink? Isn't it sad that he'll still be on his feet? Don't you think he'd be happier dead than to live with a memory torn and shattered, memory of a life? What a shame, now he knows what he's done. Don't you feel like spare a thought, he's only human and he's killed his first man. Let's spare a thought for the cat who survived. Don't you think it's too bad he's alive? Wouldn't you rather he died in there too? Death is so sudden, you don't even know.